Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is Elsa Sulistiana, NPM 52216111095, International Relations Study Program. Logical fallacies are errors in thinking or reasoning that can lead to false or invalid conclusions. There are many types of logical fallacies, including hasty generalization, transfer, refutation, circular reasoning, false dilemma, ad hominem, and many more. Logical fallacies can occur in a variety of situations, including in everyday discussion, the world of work, and even in science and politics. In the context of a discussion or debate, the use of logical fallacies can disrupt the process of sound reasoning and lead to inaccurate and unfair conclusions. Therefore, it is important to recognize the types of logical fallacies and avoid their use in thinking and communicating. By avoiding logical fallacies, we can ensure that our arguments are based on sound logic and can reinforce and healthy and productive reasoning process. Logical fallacies are errors in reasoning that are common enough to warrant a fancy name. Knowing how to recognize and identify fallacies is an invaluable skill. It can save your time, money, and self-esteem. There are two main categories of logical fallacies, which in turn are broken down into different types of fallacies, each with its own unique way of trying to trick you into agreeing. There are two types. One, formal fallacies are glitches in the way you say things. The ideas are you somehow improperly ordered. The form is wrong, making the argument noise and nonsensical. 2. Informal fallacies indicate an error in what you say, i.e., the content of your argument. That ideas may be organized correctly, but something you say is not quite right, the content is wrong or disorganized. To overcome logical fallacies, it is important to recognize and understand the types of logical fallacies that exist in audition. The following steps can help in overcoming logical fallacies. 1. Knowledge reinforcement. Depending understanding of logic and correct reasoning can help in identifying and avoiding logical fallacies. 2. Critical thinking. Train yourself to think critically and analyze argument in depth before accepting or rejecting them. 3. Explicit approach. When discussing or debating, it is important to explicitly identify logical fallacies, the areas, and highlight arguments that are based on correct logic. 4. Collaborative approach. A encourages collaborative and open discussion where each side can remind the other if there are logical fallacies in the argument presented. 5. Using clear and understandable language provides argument in clear, precise, and understandable language, and replaces loaded or meaningless terms that might lead to logical fallacies. Seek understanding opposing argument. Make an effort to consider opposing argument and find weak points that represent your argument, thus preventing logical fallacies that might arise. 7. Using good example. Using good logical example to support your argument prevent logical fallacies from arising. 8. Teaching critical thinking promotes the critical thinking and encourage parties to make argument critically and consider multiple perspectives. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.